Hi traders, hope you are well. It's a late full market analysis today and we had a breakout on gold, so congratulations if you got that breakout above 2162, heads for 2179. We can see that on the MT4 chart. This was the breakout here and stopped just below the support area and heading for 2179. So a nice quick profit there. So the gold software, hopefully you got the update for those people who bought the gold software, and we like to use technology as it comes on board, and if we can improve our performance, then happy days. So heading for 2179. So on to the full market analysis. A bit late, it's 10 past 6 here in the UK, just after the announcement, and we have to wait for markets to settle down. What this means that the interest rate was unchanged in the US, but they have announced a 0.75% base rate cut this year, which is quite extraordinary, and so therefore this is going to drive the stocks higher and the dollar lower. However, we're not seeing that as confirmed yet, but so the next few days are going to play out probably to the shorts in terms of the US dollar, but we have to wait and see. Our charts say that dollar is bullish, and so while we're holding on to this market structure, we can expect this price to probably go sideways for a few days and let it settle down. As we can see, the yen futures, I did mention this the other day, I didn't like this up here. This indicator here was saying way overbought and likely to short. So there's going to be some big moves on the yens in the next few days. So we have a revised target down here of 66.00. In terms of the Swiss franc futures, we are seeing continued weakness. This is not quite parabolic. There is a support area here. So the Swiss franc futures are dubious at the moment. There's no clear definition. There's a support here for the price previously as it went a few weeks ago. So we don't have confirmation for the Swiss franc, even though we do have parabolic trends on the Euro Swiss, Pound Swiss, Aussie Swiss, etc. Just want to have a quick look at the Dow. I haven't seen these since the news, so let's see what's going on. Looks like it's going parabolic. Yes, it's just gone long on the daily. We've got a fresh signal here. So this is the 4-hour chart. So yeah, this has gone parabolic now. So Dow has now gone parabolic to the upside as it's gone green. Your stop is 38,751 and your target is 40,000. Nice round figure as it goes into that convergence area. Let's have a look at the FTSE. The FTSE has gone long a few days ago. I haven't seen this for a while, so this is continuing upwards. So we have a new trend on the FTSE 100. Stop 76.51. We have a target of 79.05. This has gone green. All change. So we do expect the dollar to weaken in the next few days. So this means that the euro dollar, pound dollar, etc. is going to go up. We'll have a look at that. We have to wait for that to pan out. Nasdaq, not convinced of this. This is not parabolic to the upside. Hang Seng, no. Aussie 200 is still parabolic. It's holding on to structure. So we do expect it to go down. 77.64 is your stop. Trailing stop 73.88. Now this will follow, or usually does follow, the Dow, so just be aware of that. S&P 500, well, we can't do any more. We can't do any more, so just hold on tight. And 5,079 is your trailing stop. And one thing I will cover in the next few minutes is swing lows for you. So actually you can do that now. All you do on the 4-hour chart on your right, you just swap down to the 2-hour and look for swing lows. There you go. Swing lows, ignoring these. Swing lows, swing lows, swing lows. quite a good way to get into positions if you wanted to. I'd just get in anywhere on these big trends. Just get in anywhere. Dare to be brave. A lovely swing low here on the DAX. Have a look at that. So this is what you're looking for. It's got a swing low on the 4 hour, which is excellent. So further upside momentum. Your stop has moved now. Get rid of that. And your stop now is 17,782. Could have got in back there. There's the swing low here, and so 17,782 is your trailing stop. Target 19,346. Stocks are gonna go sky high now. Just want to check in on oil. Is now no longer parabolic. We know that Bitcoin isn't, but I am holding on to Bitcoin wallet, so, and I know some of you are as well. So let's do the analysis. We can see we've got a lovely swing low here now on the daily, which indicates that the price has moved into this support area here, which means that we're probably going to see another leg up. So once we get this situation like this, then you can go long again, or just hold on. This is going to go $100,000. Don't worry, probably by about June. Lovely swing low on silver. Have a look at that there. If you're looking for entries to get in, these are the best ones to get in on the swing lows on the stochastics. And this is going to $26.50. Oh, let's have a look at gold now. Gold parabolic. Definitely wants to, doesn't it? So before, if you remember, we were seeing that the price needed to break this triangle formation and also the 2 hour chart as well. We don't quite have it on the long term, so it's not parabolic yet. Euro dollar was down and probably no longer parabolic. Oh, it is. Still holding on to that structure there. This is the 2 hour chart. We can look at the 4 hour chart for clarity. So what, in other words, what's happening here is the dollar is sorting itself out. US yen, congratulations. I know some of you have traded the US yen on the change of character, so congratulations. Your stop now is 149.36. Heading for target, the weekly Forex forecast, 151.96. Might have not quite got there, has it? I don't think. But stick with that. US Swiss is still parabolic to the upside, so until the dollar sorts itself out, we'll stick with this. The trailing stop is 88.42. I have a target of 91.12. Aussie USD was parabolic to the downside and continues. The market structure is still intact. Let's check the 2 hour chart. Literally, it takes a few minutes to check your charts and decide which ones you want to get in. This is still parabolic to the downside. Might change overnight. Same with the Kiwi. Your stop now on the Kiwi. Let's tighten this up now. 60.087. The beauty of these charts is it allows for the news. So any change of news or whatever, then your stop is plenty to allow for that anyway. Continue with the Kiwi down to 59.72. Stop 60.87. US Canadian to the upside it was. It may change now, of course. But at the moment, our target 136.70. Holding on to market structure, your stop now is 135. Well, the yens are doing amazingly well, aren't they? This is the Canadian yen. So this is shot up overnight, yesterday and today. So this is parabolic to the upside. Ah, wow. Okay. All-time highs. So just trail it. New Zealand yen is not confirmed yet. Aussie yen is. Hold on tight. These are going high. So just go with it. Stop 98. Target 99.67. Pound yen continues to rally because of the weakness of the yen futures. This is what drives these prices. 196 basically, just below 196 is the target. Trailing stop 190.79. Swiss yen to the upside. All the yens are going up, so fill your boots. Wait for the pullback or get in now. Totally up to you. Your trailing stop is 168.48. Target 172.11 a few months ago. Euro yen continues up to 165.90 and 166 on the daily. Looks like this is going to just keep going. So pound Swiss to the upside and heading for target 113.98. Your trailing stop now is 112.41. This is the beauty. Again, just make sure your stop is wide to allow for any news, and therefore you'll stay in it and you'll be in it for a few weeks. Canadian Swiss, as mentioned by Laurie. Thanks, Laurie, for the update to members, just to let them know that in case they've missed it. Some people don't pop into the market analysis, the DVA, full market analysis. Not everyone comes into that, strangely. I don't know why. So it's probably a good idea to remind them. So 65.78 is the target. That's been hit literally in the last few minutes, so we'd have to work out new targets. Let's have a quick look. Oh yeah, there we go. So the next target is 68.00. Euro Swiss to the upside, and there it goes. It looks like our target's been hit, 96.71 for the weekly Forex forecast. Got to work out some new ones now. All change. It's great. This is fantastic. New Zealand Swiss, not doing much, but you can move your stop slightly to 54.17, target 52.81. New Zealand Canadian, congratulations if you're in this, you're having a great time. 82.50 is your trailing stop, 81.53 is the target. Could be hit in the next few minutes. Pound Aussie going pretty much sideways, but that's okay. Something has to, I suppose. Your trailing stop is 193.52. Target 199.00. Aussie, New Zealand, congratulations if you're sticking with this. This is doing awfully well, and so is everything else. So make the most of these. 107.50 is the trailing stop. Oh, it's hit our target quicker than we thought. So 108.04 has been hit. So close this down. Pound New Zealand is broken to the upside now. So we've got a big target here. 21611 is the next target. Up there somewhere. We've got one just below here, 21595. Trailing stop has been moved, should be moved now to 20889. 21611 is the target. Euro New Zealand to the upside. Happy days. Here we go. Move your stop to 178.48. And your target has been hit for this week, 179.38 from the weekly Forex forecast, which I project on Sundays usually. Your next target is 184.99. So get busy. You're going to be busy. Well, you're not going to be busy. You're not going to be doing anything. You've just been moving your stock. But but you know what I mean. It's going to get fantastic in the next few months. Make the most of it. Bitcoin's going to go to $100,000 and the stock market is going to fly. So all the indices are going to be lining up lovely, and the dollar will be lining up as well, along with the yens, along with the Swiss, along with the New Zealand pairs as well. So let's have a quick look at gold, 21.65, settling down now, but have a wonderful evening.